I just Mailchimp my marketing.
You Mailchimped your what?
I Mailchimp my marketing with AI to create a hyper-personalized campaign in minutes.
Oh yeah? I Mailchimped our way to more revenue using predictive segmentation.
No Mailchimpin' way.
Yes, Mailchimpin' way.
I just Mailchimproved my orders by 7 times using real-time behavior data.
I just added SMS to my multi-channel marketing campaign.
Got him.
Mine?
Mailchimp my marketing the other day.
Now, my ROI's through the Mailchimpin' roof.
That's pretty cool, but I just Mailchimp my sales up so high, my CFO cried.
That's Mailchimp-nificent!
It is. It is Mailchimp-nificent.
Intuit Mailchimp, the #1 AI-powered email marketing and automation platform.
Oh ho, hey big guy, you Mailchimp to marketing.
You bet your Mailchimp I did.